Good afternoon, my name is David Huffman Jr. We are here today with another video lesson with the student by the name of David Huffman Sr. The last video lesson that we did with him, we did short game with wedges. We hit some light full swings and we hit some pitches. We were trying to take his hands out of the swing and flatten his golf swing. The student is starting to feel some improvements with flattening the swing, but we need to work on getting to a better position at the top of the swing, more on plane. The student tends to cross the plane and reroute the club on the downswing, which causes him to be a little bit inconsistent on the strike and the ball flight.
Pretty decent. It wasn't struck flush, but it hit well enough. It's better than what it had.
Still have the same target as earlier?
Yep. It hit kind of weak,
A little heavy?
Yep.
Okay. So as we've talked before in the past about trying to get the club more in a consistent position at the top of your swing, what we're going to try to do is get that club to travel, get above you and stay at a consistent spot. So go ahead and set up to the golf ball for me real quick, and I'm going to try and walk you through the path of the club. Here we'll travel on. So if you come back to this first position here, good. If you notice here, the club is even with your body, or right, and that's slightly behind you from here. When you lift the club up, transpires and points to the right. So go ahead and start back to that position again. The club head should stay just slightly in front of your body, or even with your hands, one or two. We never want to get it back here because you can already see the shaft's pointing over there.
Yeah.
So when you come up, the shaft will be pointed over that way. Can you see that?
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead and put your hands back on the club. All right, so from this position here, the club will then go up to the top of the swing. You'll start to hinge your hands and just rotate your shoulders to here. Now, that position here obviously allows us to still keep that shaft angle point down at the ball.